Fantom at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a pullback to the lower side after an aggressive bounce from the lows we made yesterday, where you can now see that we have now peaked above the 0.8665. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, basing my analysis on the additive structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first discussing the fundamental reasons as to why I'm still bullish on FTM. It's the fact that Binance will be supporting Fantom's rebrand into Sonic, with FTM being delisted on 13th of January 2025, and the new Sonic trading pairs will be live starting from the 16th of January 2025. And that is one of the main fundamental reasons as to why I'm still bullish on FTM, since we are expecting that rebrand in the next coming days. Getting back to the charts, from the lows we made yesterday, I believe that we have now picked in a 5-wave structure where we can have these as a wave 1. Then we saw a pullback in a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4 over here. And this was the final bounce in the formation of these wave 5, giving us a high above the 0.8652. And having picked in this micro additive structure, I now believe that we have now completed an even larger additive count 1 to the upper side. So we can now term these as a larger additive count 1 from the lows we made yesterday. And there are very high chances that in the next coming hours, we are going to see a bit of a short-term corrective structure in the formation of a larger additive count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made yesterday to the high we made today above the 0.86, and that gives me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. So we can mark that target area here on the charts that lies between the 0.7871 and the 0.7393, the area that I have marked here on the charts. And that means that in the next coming hours, there are very high chances that we are going to see a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of these wave 2, fully maximize this yellow target area, get a low in place in the formation of the second wave, and then we can start an aggressive bounce to the upside in the formation of a larger additive count 3. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fantom to follow on the short term. Zooming out on the charts and also using the 4-hour chart to discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, I want to first give you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 5th of August, where we started a very impulsive movement to the upside in a move that peaked impulsively in the formation of these wave 1. We saw a pullback in the formation of these wave 2 in red. Then we saw a pullback in the formation of these wave 3, a wave 4, and then finally peaked in the formation of these wave 5 in a move that gave us a high above the 1.48. And that 5-wave structure from the lows we made on the 5th of August completed an even larger additive count 1. And having picked in the formation of that first wave, I have been expecting a bit of a short-term corrective structure in the formation of a larger additive count 2 that we have here on the charts, using these white target, that is this additive structure, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this yellow target area that lies between the 0.8715 and the 0.5254. An area that we have almost fully maximized, and there are very high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of these wave 2, and in the next coming days we are going to continue seeing higher prices in the formation of a larger additive count 3. And for that to play out, we first need to see that additive structure that I have shown you on the 15-minute time frame, giving us that is, see a complete 5-wave structure to the upside on the lower time frames to confirm that we have a low in place in the formation of that larger additive count 2, and that impulsive additive count 3 is underway. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fantom to follow on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.